Man, look who done pulled up on me, man. Come on, man. Y'all see that thing, man? Ooh, that man done got the windows black. Hey, look a whole lot better with that black, bro.
It does. They do.
Come on, man. Let me, bruh. Man, this thing is crazy, man. And when you do that, what you talking about down there, hey, that's really gonna be crazy, bro.
I'm thinking about putting it like on the side. Like I think about putting that bitch like right here.
No, we can't. We can't tell them what we doing.
Tell them what we're doing.
Hell no. They gonna have to watch the video, man. You know what I'm saying? Let go. Come on, man. Ooh, man, that thing clean, boy. Come on, man. Y'all see what's up. Out here, man, my boy Pelio TV, man. 392 wide body thing, man. Come on. Ooh, we got that thing looking good, boy. We finna do some work to it. I'm gonna show y'all what we finna do. Y'all see the calibers in there? That's like that's how they come factory. We finna paint them yellow. We're gonna be using G2 caliber paint. Ooh, got them big 6 piston Brembos, man. Alright, man, so here go the kit. What we finna be using today. You know what I'm saying? G2 caliber paint kit. Stuff right here, man, is brake cleaner. Y'all see, you got them Brembos. Anybody know about Brembos? They gonna kick up a lot of dust. You know what I'm saying? The color we going with today is gonna be yellow. So it's very simple, you guys. It's gonna come with this paint mixer. And you get your can of paint right here. This the yellow, as y'all see yellow right there. And it should come with like some brushes. Yeah. So it come with you got your brushes in here or whatnot, and you got your little stick to mix it up. I'm gonna show y'all all that. And that's it, man. So here's the box right here. Yeah, man, this is the best way to paint your caliber. So yes, sir. Take this, man, and you just kind of want to, you ain't got to spray a whole lot, but any excess dust, you want it to get off of there. You ain't got to worry about wiping them down or none of that, man. This stuff right here is going to do all of that for you, man.
If they're on the surface road or something.
All right, so now as y'all can see, man, we got them. You know what I'm saying? You want to wrap your rotors. You know what I'm saying? Put as much as you can around the edges of your brakes, so that way when you're painting, you don't get it on the rotors. And what we're doing now, we spraying the Brembos down with the brake cleaner and wiping them down. You know, you want to get any excess brake dust off of that thing, man. So then we finna get ready to mix this paint, and we're gonna get ready to slap these coats on, man. Man, come on, bro. Look how big these things is, bro. I don't think people just know how big these 6 pistons is. Cause you see them behind the wheel. Got one coat laid down. Oh, he making a little noise, So that's the first coat we got laid down, man. The first coat gonna look kind of spotty. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gonna be able to fill everything up. You just want to get as much on there as you can. Show y'all this side right here. And this stuff with the wind blowing like this, it ain't gonna take very much long for this shit to dry. So you know what I'm saying? Like this one right here, it's probably already ready. Let's see. Yep. This coat already. This is ready for another coat.
Man, at least I got that tire bar.
All right, YouTube. So here it is, man. As y'all see, man, we done got about how many coats y'all say this is? About what? About 4 coats.
Yeah,
about 4 coats. Okay. So yeah, man, we got about 4 coats on this thing. It's looking good. It still got to dry. I mean, it ain't really dry yet. And like I was telling y'all, the G2 caliber paint is self-leveling, so it's gonna level itself out. How do it do that? I have no idea. But on mine, like when I was putting mine on, I was looking at it, I was like, damn, man, it's looking thick. And then it was drying up and it dried, and I came back and looked, bro. I'm talking about it was a smooth surface, bro.
Yeah. Now, it's gonna do this thing overnight, man.
Hell yeah, bro. I'm talking about, bro, it look good. Come on, man. Y'all see this thing.
Good, bro. I appreciate y'all for
man, hey, bro. Man, this all right, man. Hey. It's Car Club family now. You know what I'm saying? Hey, whoever ride, we need to get right. We gonna get them right. Cause when we pull up,
I can't wait till we hit these meets and shit.
oh yeah, hey, it's coming, bro. It's coming. Hey, it's coming. It's coming, man. What y'all think, man? Woo-hoo, that thing is hard, man. Come on, man. Just by him doing the brake calipers done took it to a whole nother level. And then it matched the bumper guard. Everybody be talking about take that off, take that off. I like it. You know what I'm saying? It get a car a little different look. You know what I'm saying? Because everybody ain't got that on their car. That's something different. Come on, man.
Hey, Scotty, it look good, huh?
Hey, it look good, bro. I'm telling you, it changed the whole look. Come on, man. Y'all see we got the towel up under there. You know what I'm saying? Just in case if it drip. Gang, man, hey, we got the detail boys that done came out today, man. Y'all know what it is. I'm gonna let them talk to y'all though, man. Tell them what it is, man.
Hey, boy, money bag, the pull-up king. You know me, man. Winter, summer, fall, or spring. I'm in that thing. If it's popping, I'm in that thing. You
Come
already
on, man.
know.
Yeah.
Look me up. I do the same thing. Royalty on 24.
Come on, man. Yeah, man. Hey. Woo, they talking. Let me show y'all his car though. Show y'all his car, man. Hey, this. Woo, god damn. Oh shit. They on this trip. Hey, that's Royalty car. Hold on. We'll be right back. What the hell they doing over here? Come on, hey man, hold on, man. Hey, this is my boy Mud. Y'all shout it out, man.
Follow me on Instagram at No Sugar with Mud. Follow me on YouTube, No Sugar with Mud. Don't skip them ads, but I ain't got no ads yet. Give me 2,000 subscribers, man. So,
hey, that's all right. Hey, you gotta believe in yourself, man. Believe in yourself. Hey, hold on, what's going on? Come on, man. Come on. Hey, y'all heard, man. What's up, man? Come on, man.
Don't have a good time.
Hey, bad little man, y'all know what it is, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel, man. Let me show y'all his channel right here, man. Come on, man. Y'all go subscribe, man. Bad little man on YouTube, ain't from Dallas. And the camera here to Fort Worth. I wasn't even gonna come to this meet, but I'm riding with my brother, so he wanted to come. So we heard. Hey, he got them 26s on that thing, man. Come on, man. Bad little man. Yeah, he ain't slacking. Hey, he got some crazy beat in the trunk. Got it on his back window right there. Yeah, y'all see Ghost. Y'all see, we got Fort Worth. Fort Worth Finance done showed up. Come on, man. Man, what that man got in there, man? Hey, hold on, brother. Hey, man, what is this? It sound like that?
This V6 for real? V6.
What you got? I mean, how you get it sound like that?
Cats. No cats.
Oh, you ain't got no cats. Bro,
I'm gonna do that. This SXT.
Hey, hold on, bro. Hold on. Let y'all hear this. Hey, this is a V6. Hey, hit it again, bro. Come on, man. Hey, this is a V6 doing that, man. Come on, man. A V6, straight pipe, no cat, man. Yeah. Ah, man, they acting a fool out here. Hey, man, talk. Hey, bad little man, give it to him one more time, man. Come on. Come on, man.
I know the people ready to talk to them. Come on now.
Yeah, come on, bad little man. Check out the merch.
Check out the merch.
Come on, man. Bad little man. Come on, man.
Okay, wait a minute. Bam.
Yeah, come on, man.
Come on,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Come on, man. Have one of these on to make you feel a little bit warm. Let bad little man look good. Let bad little man look good. Yeah, man. Hey, y'all go subscribe to his channel right now. Come on, man. Come on. We need him to get to 1,000 subscribers, man. Come on. We're trying to get everybody up there, man. Y'all go subscribe, man. When y'all go over there, tell them Scatterback sent you.
Tell them Scatterback.
Come on, Scatterback, baby.
Represent them now.
Yeah.
Represent them now.
Come on.
His people.
Come on, man.
Show up.
Yeah, before we go show some love, man.
Bad little man. Yes, sir.
Oh, that boy crazy, man. Come on, man. That's his ride right now. No, got not that one. This one right here, man. Come on, man. That's bad little man. That's one of them. You know what I'm saying? He got multiple cars now. He ain't doing no slack. So the law's shutting this meat down. Probably finna go live right quick. But little pop up live, man. You know, I ain't, you know, we just rolled by. I stay over here in this area, so you know, we just rolled by. Ghost finna take me to the house.
I ain't no tell.